Hi, and welcome. I am so excited about doing a Halloween science episode with you today. And I have got a lot of special guests that are gonna help me in making this a fun experience and show you what you can do with household chemicals that you have and have a lot of fun with science. Okay, so I'm really excited to have a lot of special guests with me here today. And so I wanted each one of them just to say their name and how old they are and what's their favorite thing about science. So let's go ahead. We're going to start with this gentleman right here, one of my wonderful assistants here, who's been gracious to volunteer and help us out today.
My name is Hayden. I am 11 years old, turning 12. And the thing I like most about science is blowing stuff up. I'm Dash. I'm 5 years old.
What do you like about science?
I like Nathan.
What's your name?
Aiden.
And how old are you?
7.
And what do you like about science?
My name is Joe, and I'm 7 years old, and I like making stuff explode and make stuff go on me.
My name is Saik. I am 7, about to turn 8 soon. And my favorite thing about science is learning.
And I'm 6, and next week I'm going to turn 7. And what I like about science is chemicals. My name's Gianna.
Gianna, okay.
My favorite thing about science is experiments.
Science,
No
favorite thing?
writing.
Experiments doing what?
No writing.
I'm Mia. I'm 10 years old and I don't know. I really don't know.
My name is Alice. I'm 10 years old, and I like all science.
We're going to get started. The first thing that we are going to do today is going to be a Halloween lava lamp. And one of the things that I've made for each one of you guys, we've got these little cards that you're going to have with all of the experiments that you're doing, so you can take it home and you can do them again if you want, okay? Our Halloween lava lamp, okay? You guys are going to be using several things. First of all, we are going to be doing this in glass beakers, okay? And so I'm going to need to make sure that you guys are careful with these because these are glass and they can break. All right, so everybody's going to get a glass beaker. Then you're also going to need some cooking oil, some water, some food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer tablets. The first thing you want to do is add about 200 milliliters of oil to that. Okay. Milliliters of oil, you just want to squeeze it out of there. You need a little help here.
I didn't know you could.
Hang on a second. There we go. The next thing you guys are going to do is add some water to it. You're going to add the water in, and I want you to look as you're adding the water in. You're going to add about half of that water in so that you have about half of it filled with oil and half of it filled with water.
Look at what happened.
Alrighty.
Why
You can tell me what they're noticing when they added the oil to the water. All right, we'll start here first. Aiden.
I noticed that it sink to the bottom and that it's falling away the second.
Oh, so you notice that the water looks like it went on the bottom and now there's oil and bubbles on the top. Okay.
The water's heavier and the oil is lighter.
The water's heavier and the oil is lighter. Anybody know the scientific term that I'm talking about that discusses that? Alex.
Density.
What was that again?
Density.
Density. Oh, that is right. It's called density. How dense something is. Now there's an actual formula that we use to describe density. Does anybody know what that formula is? All right, I think my cameraman, no, not yet? All right, I think my cameraman's gonna come up here and share that.
Mass
Or I guess he's gonna say it from behind the camera.
Mass-
This camera's shy here.
divided by volume equals density, right?
Yes, that is right. Mass divided by volume equals density. All right, so now what I want you guys to do, not do the tablets yet, not yet, you guys are way ahead of the game here. All right, the next thing that you're gonna do, and I'm just gonna bring my container over here. All right, girls back there, can you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, so the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add some food coloring. Okay, so now what I want you guys to do is to take one of those Alka-Seltzer tablets and you are going to add one Alka-Seltzer tablet, throw it in the middle of the container, and I want to see what you guys see happens with this. Why don't you
Aiden.
Look at it, it's here.
Dude,
Look
look
at
at
my slime.
Whoa.
Oh my god, what happened?
Dashi, do it again.
Oh, that's cool.
Super cool, right?
Look at
Oh, Mia's.
Look at my phone.
Oh, Mia's is cool too. Oh, Alex is
Look
nice
what
too.
We're
happened.
doing one first, and we're going to talk about it in just a second.
Look what happened.
Okay, so what do we notice happens when you throw that tablet in there? All right, Syke, what
I
happened?
just want to put a tablet sunk to the bottom because it was heavier, of course, and the food coloring that we decided a couple minutes ago, it absorbed more, and the food coloring, it absorbs more of the cup, and it went up higher, and the water is starting to go higher.
And the water? Okay, yeah. So what did you notice though? What did?
And then the pill floated back up because the weight that was on it came
It
off.
went away. Okay, but what did you guys notice, girls? What did you guys notice happened?
It started fizzing and then all our stuff came up.
All right, it started fizzing. All right, anybody know why it started fizzing?
I don't.
Go.
Because this had some fuzzy stuff that mixed with it that started evaporating it, and it had lots of air in it that went inside and made up.
Air. Okay, so what is air? Is air? Excuse me. Is air a solid, a liquid, or a gas?
Gas.
It's a gas. All right, so guys, what you saw with those bubbles going up and down, that was basically the gas. When these tablets, the chemical that's in these tablets, when they come in contact with water, it produces a gas, and then that gas doesn't want to stay in one space, and so it bubbles up and comes up to the top. And then finally, when all of the gas substance was gone, then what was left on the little tablet floated on the top, the oil. Okay, so now let's go ahead and add your second tablet in and see if you see anything different when you add that second tablet in.
It's much bubbly. It's much bubbly. I take it out. It's so bubbly. I think
Look at mine. What happened? What happened? Look
Oh
at
my
mine.
God, Dashi. I mean Sykes.
Oh my.
Oh, Dashi's too.
Here are the instructions on how you can make your own Halloween lava lamp at home. Thank you so much for joining me for this special episode of Halloween Science with Dr. CK. Stay tuned next week and make some ooey gooey slime and oobleck just in time for Halloween. Feel free to subscribe and don't forget to push the notification button so you'll get informed right when I release videos. Thank you so much.